Hello children. In this video we are going to see practice set 42. First problem given, you have to find out diameter and circumference. Here diameter is given, you have to find out radius and circumference. Here circumference is given, you have to find out radius and diameter. Here also the same. Solution: radius r equals to 7 centimeter. Therefore to calculate diameter you know very well, 2r. So 2 into 7 is 14 centimeter. Circumference equals to 2 pi r, or we can write pi d also, because 2r equals to d. So pi d. So circumference equals to 22 by pi value will be 22 by 7 into d is 14. So it comes to 7 ones are 7 twos are 2 into 22 is 44 centimeter. Diameter equals to 28 centimeter. Radius equals to diameter upon 2. That is d by 2. Here it must be d upon 2 equals to 28 by 2 equals to 14 centimeter. Circumference equals to c equals to pi d. 22 by 7 into 28. 7 ones are 7 fours are 28. 4 into 22 is 88 centimeter. Now circumference is given 616 centimeter. Pi d equals to 616. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into d equals to 616. Therefore d equals to 616. Here what you will do? Cross multiply. This is 22 by 7, so it will be 7 by 22. You know how to cross multiply it? Yes. So when you simplify this, you will get d equals to 196 centimeter. So diameter equals to 196 centimeter. Radius r equals to d by 2 equals to 196 by 2 equals to 98 centimeter. Next problem. Circumference is 72.6 centimeter. Formula for circumference: pi d equals to 72.6. Circumference value is given. Again same method, 22 by 7 pi d equals to 72.6. Therefore d equals to 72.6 into 7 by 22. Simplify these terms. Removing the decimal point here, it will be upon 10. So 726 upon 10 into 7 upon 22. Simplify that, it will be 33 into 7 upon 10. Therefore, when you calculate, you will get d equals to 23.1 centimeter. Therefore, diameter equals to 23.1 centimeter. So radius equals to d by 2. 23.1 by 2 equals to 11.55 centimeter. Please see, calculations are important. Very simple it is. Question 2. If circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter, find its radius. Circumference c equals to 176 centimeter. Now radius is asked, so we can take formula 2 pi r. 2 pi r equals to 176. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r equals to 176. Here 44 by 7 into r equals to 176. Take on the other side, it will be 7 by 44. So 176 into 7 upon 44. When you simplify this, you will get 28 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of the circle is 28 centimeter. Next question. The radius of a circular garden is 56 meter. What would it cost to put a 4-round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? With the 1 round of the garden. That is a circular garden, so it will be circumference. Perimeter here it will be circumference. So radius of the circular garden is r equals to 56 meter. Therefore, circumference of the circular garden c equals to 2 pi r equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 56. Simplify, you will get 352 meter. Length of the wire required to put 1 round fence equals to circumference. Therefore, length of wire required to put a 4 round fence equals to 4 into circumference equals to 4 into 352 equals to 1408 meters. This is for the 4 rounds. But cost of wire per meter is rupees 40. Therefore, total cost equals to length of the wire required for 4 rounds into cost of the wire. So, 1408 into 40 equals to rupees 56,320. Therefore, the cost to put a 4 round fence around the garden is rupees 56,320. Next problem. The wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter 1.4 meter. How many rotations will the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer? You know, kilometer means 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. Okay, we'll come across. Diameter of the wheel of the bullock cart D equals to 1.4 meter. Circumference of the wheel of the bullock cart C equals to pi D. So, 22 by 7 into D is 1.4. Remove the decimal point here. So, it will be 22 by 7 into 14 divided by 10. Simplify this. You will get 44 divided by 10 equals to 4.4 meter. Circumference of the wheel of bullock cart will be 4.4 meter. Distance covered in one rotation is circumference of the wheel, that is 4.4 meter. Number of rotations, distance covered, total distance covered upon circumference. So it is 1.1 kilometer upon 4.4 meter equals to, kilometer is converted into meters, so multiply by 1000. So 1.1 into 1000 upon 4.4. Decimal point of this 2 will removed. 1 decimal point in numerator and denominator. So here 11 it will become, and denominator will be 44 and numerator into 1000. So 11 ones are, 11 fours are, 4 ones are, 4 250s are. So 250 will be the answer. The wheel of the bullock cart will complete 250 rotation as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer. This much is sufficient for this practice set. See you in the next video with next exercise. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Thank you.